everyone. My name is Alex. I'm one of the therapists here at Balance Fitness and Health, and I'm here to talk to you about headaches. So with this time of year and just this year in general, things have been a little more stressful, and so with stress can come some headaches, unfortunately. Luckily, there's some easy things that you can do for that. The first thing that I like to start off with is drinking plenty of water. So a good rule of thumb is about half your body weight in fluid ounces. The other things that you can do is stretching and getting some movement. So we'll start off with stretches. There's a couple of easy stretches that you can do. First one we're going to do is for these muscles up here in your neck called your upper traps. You're going to put your arms either underneath your chair or behind your back. That's just going to keep your shoulders down. And then you're going to tilt your head over to the side. And you should start to feel that through the side of your neck here. You'll hold for about 30 seconds. And then you'll switch over to the other side. And same thing, hold for about 30 seconds. The next stretch that you're going to do is very similar. You're just going to tuck your head down and look into your armpit. And this one you should feel a little bit more in the back of your neck here. Hold for about 30 seconds, and then you'll switch over to the other side. Now, another thing that you can do is just make sure that you get plenty of movement throughout the day. So whether that's taking a 10-minute walk around lunchtime, or even making sure that you get some walking in after work. That's just going to increase the blood flow, and that can also help relieve stress, which again can cause those headaches. So if you have any questions on anything, feel free to reach out to us at Balance Fitness and Health, and we'd be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you.